we are introducing the first skill lab to the Ayodhya with the collaboration with the Aerobay, where this is the only place in Ayodhya that students can come to the school and learn this technological advancement. In many places, Aerobay assisted the students with the setting a goal for them, setting a different kind of education which we didn't explore in our school time. This is the reason that I choose Aerobay to continue with setting up with a skill-based lab in our school. And I hope the journey will be wonderful. Together we grow and together we explore.
The students, the parents, we were so much excited, and as this is the first lab, this is the first thing which we are going to implement in the Ayodhya. In this lab, they will be having the hands-on learning through practicals, through the things which they are going to get in this lab.
तो ये बहुत अच्छा शो था, हमको बहुत मज़ा आया, बच्चे ने भी बहुत इन्जॉय किया। कई सारे आपने ड्रोन रखे थे, एरोप्लेन रखे थे, हेलीकॉप्टर रखे थे। बेसिकली इससे बच्चों का इंटरेस्ट पहली बात डेवलप हुआ कि हाँ भाई ये सारी चीज़ें रखी हैं, कैसे चलती हैं, आपने जब उनको उड़ा के दिखाया।
शो बहुत अच्छा था। मेरे बेटे ने बहुत इन्जॉय किया इस चीज़ को। वो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड था घर से ही। इसके लिए यूज़फुल भी था क्योंकि इसको इंटरेस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा है, क्यूरियोसिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है इस चीज़ को लेके, तो उसके लिए बहुत यूज़फुल था। बहुत चीज़ें उसने सीखा आज के इस शो में।
I was also excited. I told my son, he was also excited. It was something new we were observing today, and very magnificent, very attractive, and I would say that I wasn't expecting that much, but it was very nice.